I got the hiccups. Huh. I got the hiccups. Poor baby. I get these hiccups like every day. And every time I hiccup, my eyebrows go up. Oh, poor sweetie. Darn these hiccups. Oh, let's move your blanket. Shh, say hush, dogs. Shh, hush, dogs. Those dogs are loud, aren't they? You hear Daddy? Hush, dogs. Poor hiccups. Andrew has those hiccups, poor baby. You gonna talk? Are you gonna get excited? Or mad? Oh, and get mad at these hiccups, huh? I don't like having hiccups. They make me mad every time. Yeah. I get them for a while and then I get tired of it and I get mad. Huh. Where are you looking? Look here at Mama. Oh, you're gonna yawn? Oh, you're gonna yawn? What is it? What do you see over there? What are you looking at? What do you see? What do you see? Andrew, look over here at Mama. Look up here at Mama. Oh, darn hiccups.